Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder, this is my personal experience with the service. Possible Finance offers short-term loans designed to help people bridge financial gaps. Their website, found at www.possiblefinance.com, provides a platform for users to apply for these loans. The application process is generally straightforward, allowing individuals to request funds relatively quickly. Possible Finance emphasizes responsible lending practices and aims to provide accessible financial solutions to those who may not qualify for traditional loans. They offer various loan amounts and repayment terms, striving to tailor their services to individual needs. Transparency is a key element of their approach, with clear information provided about fees, interest rates, and the overall loan process. While they aim to be a helpful resource, it's essential for borrowers to carefully consider the terms and understand the implications of taking out a short-term loan. Possible Finance encourages responsible borrowing and offers resources to help borrowers make informed decisions. They highlight the importance of repaying loans on time to build credit and avoid potential negative financial consequences. The website offers a detailed FAQ section and customer support channels to address any questions or concerns. Potential borrowers should thoroughly research and compare options before committing to any loan agreement. Remember, short-term loans can be a useful tool in certain situations, but they should be approached with careful consideration and a clear understanding of the associated costs and responsibilities. Possible Finance strives to offer a transparent and accessible option in the short-term lending market, focusing on helping borrowers bridge financial gaps responsibly. They offer several loan options, each with varying terms and conditions, so it's crucial to select the loan that best suits your individual circumstances. Be sure to thoroughly read and understand the loan agreement before accepting any funds. This includes being fully aware of the interest rate, repayment schedule, and any potential fees or penalties.